Stop biting on blankets, please. Let go of the blanket. Let go. Stop. I don't want you to tear the blanket up, Justice. Give me the blanket. Give me the blanket, Justice. Why are you trying to bite me? Why are you getting so feisty, huh? Let go of the blanket. Let go. Can I take my blanket? This is mine. Hey, this is my blanket. What is wrong with you today? You got an attitude. I'm just trying to be nice. I'm just trying to be nice to you. What's wrong? Hey, I'm just trying to be nice. Hey there, hey. Yeah. You're a feisty self. Hey. I'm just trying to be nice. You got an attitude today. You got an attitude today. I don't know what your problem is. Let go of the blanket, Justice. Let go. Okay, I'm done with you. I'm done with you for today. Chew on the blanket then. Okay. Alright. I'm done with you.